Hello traders. So today's video is about 5-minute trading, and the second topic will be how to find a trendy market, or what is ranging market and what is trending market. So let's first complete the first topic. We will take some trades and then we'll move to the next topic. So here we will start. So the rules for the 5-minute tradings are simple. We will analyze the candlestick. We will use support and the resistance level and trade with the 15-second confirmation. We will try to trade with the trend as much as possible. But if we have a story that is telling us that market can reverse from its trend, then we will trade against the trend as well. So if you don't understand what I'm talking about, you can watch this video because I'm going to explain each and every trade of mine in this video. So let's start. So right now, as you can see, this is Euro USD chart and this is 5-minute candlestick. And right now we need to wait for the chart. As you can see, the trend is totally downtrend. You can see it clearly that it is totally downtrend. So we will wait for a particular point, so that right now the candlestick analysis is nothing, it's not having a clear picture, because the last red candle suggests that market wants to go down in the direction of its trend. But if we look at this green candle, it shows that market wants to reverse. So we will wait for a clear picture, then we'll trade. So let's wait right now and let's move to different chart. This is AUD USD chart, and if you look carefully, the overall trend is downtrend, and this is a small trend which starts like 1 hour ago, and so we can say that this is a downtrend because the overall trend is downtrend, and for the last 1 hour this trend is also going in the downward direction. So let's wait for this particular running candle to stop and then we'll trade. So, and this is ranging market. You can see it's moving in a box from this level to this particular level. So I advise all the traders not to trade on the ranging market, because it may work sometimes on the support or resistance level and may not work. So try to avoid ranging market, and if you want to trade on the ranging market, wait for a breakout. Like if you look carefully here, and this is your resistance level, wait for the market to break this level so that you can use this as a support, because right now it is resistance level and it's been used so many times. You can see it's been used so many times. So in this condition, I will advise you to wait for a breakout and then trade. And so here, okay, here you can see the market is totally uptrend. The trend is also uptrend, and this is going to be a breakout, I guess. So let's wait for this particular candle to break the level. This is, let me draw it. This is a resistance level which is also at a whole number 1.286000, and let's wait for this candle to break this level, if it's able to or not. So we will wait for this candle. It will give us a clear picture, and I will take trades and then we'll explain you why I have taken the trade. So let's wait. Okay, I'm hoping to get a breakout. Let me increase the time frame. Our aim is to trade with the end of the candlestick. 1840 will be the time when our trade will finish, because it is the time when the next, this is the running candle, the next after this candle there will be a running candle which will close at this particular time. That's why I selected this time. So let's wait. So as you can see, it is a clear breakout. You can see the candle closes, you can see it closes here, and this running candle will close at this particular time. That's why I selected this. And if you look carefully, the story here is simple. Market is totally uptrend. The overall trend is uptrend. Last candle is very strong, suggesting market wants to go up, and this is also a breakout. You can place a call here, but instead of placing a call, you need to wait for a market to go down, hitting this support level, and then you can trade to acquire some margin of safety. If you don't know what is margin of safety, you can watch my previous videos, or I will give a brief explanation. Margin of safety is to take a trade in the direction where you want to take, but to avoid a risk, you will wait for the market to go in the reverse direction and then will trade with the confirmation. So in this scenario, as you can see, that last candle is strong green candle suggesting market wants to go up, but I didn't place a call here. What I will do, I will wait for this candle, particular running candle, the market to go down, hitting this support level, and if we have the confirmation, I will place my call here. Instead of placing a call here, I will place my trade here to acquire margin of safety. So let's wait. I'm hoping that the market will go down and give us a good confirmation. As you can see, this is 5-minute candlestick and we use 15-second confirmation. So what we will do, we will switch from 5-minute chart to 15-second, and this is 15-second chart, you can see. So we will here wait for the market to go down, came near to this level and give us a proper confirmation in the form of a green candle, because we want to place a call, so we need a good green candle as a confirmation. So let's wait. Let's draw the area as well. Okay, I will change the color so that it is more visible. Okay, so it's now visible. So what we will do, we will wait for the market to go down, came to this level, near to this level, and then we'll trade. Let's wait. And if the market didn't hit the level, you will not take trade, because you will get so many opportunities in the future, but you need to be relaxed and calm. Just think properly and trade when you have completed all the rules. So as you can see, it's going down, which is a good thing. Now we will wait for the market to touch the level, otherwise we will not take trade. Okay, it's been touched, you can see. It's been touched, and this is the confirmation. You can see the level is being touched here. It reverses, and this is a green hammer, sign of reversal. It's also a good reversal candlestick, and that's why I placed my trade without any wait. So we have placed our trade here, which is a good spot. Now let's try to find another trade, as we have placed the trade here. So let's find out another chart, and here we also have a trading opportunity. Let me check in the 15-second chart. We kind of missed the trading opportunity actually. If we have placed our trade here, we must have won the trade. Let's wait for the market to close, as let me tell you why I was very sure about this trade. So if you look carefully here, this particular red candle closes at the support level, which is here, and this candle closes at this level, and market reverses. As this candle closes here, it is a sign that the support level has not been broken and the market can reverse. So what we can do here, we will wait for the market to go more down, and as you can see, it reached this particular level where the last candle get reversed, and this is also a sign of reversal because it forms a W pattern. Let me show you the W pattern. You can see, if you look carefully here, the market came here, it goes up, it again came to the same level and reverses again. So this is a formation of W, and as I told you, if we have placed our trade here for a call, we must have won the trade. So as the opportunity is gone, so it's not a big deal. We will try to find some more trade. I think we are going to have one trade here. So let's wait for this candle to finish. This candle is going to finish in the next 10 seconds. I will increase the time frame to 45, and here, okay, it's very close, but as we have placed our trade with the first confirmation, that's why I always suggest to trade with the first confirmation, because first confirmation works very well. So we have won the first trade. Let's wait. Let's find out if we have another trade. So as you can see, the level is not been broken, this support is not been broken, so we can take a trade here as well, but we need to wait for the market to go more down. Till then we will try to find a trade here, and this is clearly an indication that market wants to reverse, but I want the market to go down to this level at least, then I will place my trade. Let me find, okay, here. So we have taken one trade and we missed one trade because we were a little late, but no problem. Opportunities will be okay. It's, as you can see, it's going down, so it's a good thing. So what we will do, we will wait here as okay. It's again going up. I want the market to go a little down. So why I want to place my trade here is because the level is not being broken and the last candle is a doji, which is also a sign of reversal. But instead of placing my trade here, I want to acquire some margin of safety. That's why I want the market to go down, hitting this level, and then if we have the confirmation, we can place our trade. So this is the ideology, and let's find some trades because I have to explain one more concept. As you can see in this case as well, the market reverses. We can have placed our trade here, but if we want to acquire the margin of safety, which is a good thing, you need to wait for the market to go more down. As the market didn't go down, so I didn't place any trade. So wait for the right time, for the right opportunities. You may miss one trade, but when you place your trade at the right moment, your chances of loss will be very less. So always be patient and calm. Okay, here you can see it's going up. No problem, we will take trade in other chart. Let's find out. As you can see, this is a ranging market, so we will try to avoid this totally. And here it's going up as the level was not being broken. And here it is reversal because the last candle is a doji, which is a sign of reversal. The level of resistance is not being broken, and so it is reversing. Okay, let's wait for this candle to finish as we have missed this trading opportunity. It's not a big deal. This is actually a pattern. If you look carefully, this kind of pattern works like 80%. I will not say it's 100% because nothing is 100%. So this kind of pattern works very good when you have a strong candle and after that you have a spinning top or a doji like this reversing from the same level. The next candle will always be a reversal. You can see in this case it's a reversal, and in this case it is also a reversal. So, but always first test these things before going real because it is important to analyze according to yourself. Sometimes it may work for me but not for you. So always check and test things you learned, and if they are working, then only try to go with them in the real. Okay, you can see same pattern. If you look carefully, it was a it was a it has a wick here. It was a support level. The next candle was a doji. The next candle, it's a green. It reverses, and you will find many more examples like this, but it's not 100%. Okay, so let's take one more trade as the candle is going to finish. It's a green candle, as you can see. Our analysis was correct. The market, we were expecting that the market will go up, and it is gone up. In this case, it has gone down, and in that case we have expected that the market will reverse, it will go up more, and it did go up, but As why didn't we place the trade? Because we want to acquire some margin of safety, but the market didn't go down, so we missed this kind of trade. It's not a big deal. And here it's like a ranging market. I don't want to place my trade with this market, so I will switch. And here it's a good pattern. If you look carefully, these three candles suggesting market wants to reverse, but the bad thing about this is because I cannot place my trade here, as this is a downtrend and we didn't have any strong support near to this candle. The support level is here, and I don't think that this candle can travel to this distance in the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So let's try to find one trade. And okay, here we can have a trading opportunity. Let me take the trade. Let's wait for the right time, because we can have a trading opportunity. The last two candles are very strong and green, and we can place a trade here. Let me draw our support level. Okay, it's our support level. I will wait for the market to go down. I have selected this time frame because the running 5-minute candle will finish at this particular time. So let's wait for the confirmation. Market is going down, which is a good sign. We want the market to go down, hit the support level at least. This is the whole area. Okay, let me check if we are correct or not. Okay, we have included, let me include this. Okay, now that's fine. So let's wait for the right time. Okay, let's wait. We are going to have a good confirmation from this level. We need to wait a little. Okay, it is trying, it's getting blocked. Let me see if this is also a support. Okay, it is a support level. Let's wait. We are going to have a confirmation soon. I'm just waiting. Okay, we will wait. I don't want to place my trade in any hurry. Okay, video is 18 minutes almost, and I have taken only one trade. This is bad. I need to take one more trade as soon as possible. Let's take trade, because let's wait for the confirmation, because I don't want to spoil this video. I need to go according to the rules. Don't break the rules. Even if you can take only 2 trades in a session, that's not a big deal. Okay, it is going down. I want the market to touch the level. Let me change the color so that you all can see it. Okay, so you can see it's been touched. It's been touched. Okay, it's been touched. Now it is okay. It's been okay. It is trying to fluctuate. Okay, it reverses. Okay, I will wait for this particular candle. Let me check it in the 10-second. Okay, it's a confirmation. I will place the trade. I don't want to miss the trade. We have got the confirmation. You can see we have placed our trade with the confirmation. Let's wait for the results. This is the first confirmation after hitting the level, and I'm hoping that this will be a winning trade for sure. Let's wait for the next 15 seconds. We have placed our trade with the first confirmation, and the first confirmation is very important because it gives us the real rejection. And you all can see that we have won this trade because our analysis was saying that market wants to go up. This support level is saying market wants to go up. We have the rejection which is saying that market wants to go up, and we have acquired the margin of safety from this level to this level. So we have done everything correct, and this is how you can make yourself more confident. Even if you lose some trades, it's not because of your fault. It's sometimes that market moves randomly in any direction. So always try to follow all the rules. So I have taken 2 trades in this video. Now I will move to the second topic because I need to finish that topic as well. So let's talk about what is ranging market and how you can find a trendy market. So talking about the 5 minute chart, first we will talk about the, I will remove all these lines. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about what is trending market. So if you look carefully here, what is the overall trend? It is clear that it's going up. It is a sign that it is an uptrend. But as we are trading in the 5 minute chart, what we need to see is what is the trend of 5 minute chart. So in that case, what you will do, you will just look for the last 1 hour chart. At least 1 hour. For 5 minute trading, you need to have at least 1 hour of trend in the direction of a trend. The overall trend is uptrend, and if you look carefully here, the 5 minute trend for the last 1 hour is also uptrend, which is a plus point. It may be in the direction of down. It is not a big problem. What you have to see is to look for the last 1 hour trend. That is the most important thing when it comes to 5 minute trading. What I personally advise and what I see personally, I didn't look for the overall trend because overall trend is for bigger time frame. When it comes to 5 minute trading, you can look for the 1 hour trend. That's sufficient that you can see. In this case, we have at least a 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minute trend in the direction of up, and it was also in the overall direction. So it's totally a sign that the market is going upward direction. So this is how you can choose an uptrend direction. Now talking about the ranging market, if you look carefully here, suppose if you started trading and the market is here right now. So if you look carefully for the last 1 hour, it's moving in a box. It's moving in between this level to, suppose, this level. So this is ranging market. The box can be bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter. But if the market is moving in a box, it's a ranging market. Let me give you one more example. In this case, you can see the market is moving in a box. I didn't take any trade on this chart in this particular video because the market is ranging. If you look carefully, the last 1 hour the market is moving in a box. It's a ranging market. For a ranging market, you need to wait for a breakout, which is the best thing. You can see the overall trend. If you look carefully, it was previously a downtrend, then it became uptrend, then again downtrend, and then it was totally ranging market. So avoid this kind of market. Why? Because this kind of market have long wicks, which shows more fluctuation and unexpected reversal. So always try to avoid this kind of trend. And let's okay, talking about this chart, you can see the overall trend was downtrend, but in 5 minute chart, what we do, we wait for the for a 1 hour trend. In this, you can see that if you look carefully here, the for the last 1 hour the trend is downtrend. So you can take a trade with the direction of trend. it's it's a downtrend for the 5 minute chart. I'm not talking about the bigger time frame. Like if you are taking trades in the 1 hour chart, then you need to look for the whole day trend, which is very important when it comes to bigger time frame. But in when talking about the smaller time frame, you need to watch only the previous 1 hour chart when it comes to 5 minute trading. And so this is how you can select the trendy market. For me, this is a downtrend market. For me, this is a ranging market. You can see it's moving in a box from this level to this level for the last 40-50 minutes. And talking about this, it's a downtrend market for me. Talking about this, it is also a downtrend which is trying to convert into an uptrend, but it is overall a downtrend for me right now. And here it is a ranging market for me. It's moving in a box in between this. And talking about this, it is also an uptrend. Why? let me give you a hint. It was previously an ranging market, but if you look here, it is a this candle is a breakout. That's why I advise you to wait for the breakout when it comes to ranging market. For me, this is an uptrend because for the last 1 minute it's going in the upward direction. The overall trend is also uptrend, and for the last 1 minute it is also uptrend. Talking about this is I will say don't take trades in this kind of market because it is neither ranging nor trending. You can see it is moving like in a trend line actually. No, it's not a strong trend. If you know how to use a trend line, it's not that strong uptrend for 5 minute trading. For binary trading, I'm talking about the binary trading, not forex trading. It is an uptrend, but for me it will not work according to my strategy. So try to find a trend which looks very good, like this. You can see this is a good uptrend because it shows a straight line of up direction. You can see this is a steep direction of uptrend, but if you compare this line to this line, you will ultimately find that this particular line is kind of a horizontal line, which is not a good strong trend. So this is how you can select the time trend. And one more thing, when it comes to 1 minute trading, the same concept applies, but instead of looking for the last 1 hour chart, you can look for the last 30-minute chart, which will work fine. Like in this case, let me change it to 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so as you can see in this case, if you look here, it was totally ranging market for the 1 minute time frame as well. But as soon as there is a breakout, and if you look carefully here for the last 30 minutes, it is an uptrend. So this is how you can select a trendy market or ranging market. But if you still don't understand, you can comment and I will try to explain as much as possible. And I will finish this video here and will make more videos in the coming time. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.